Hello students, now we will see question number 3 of exercise 2.5. In previous video we have seen question 1 and question number 2. Now question number 3 is, let us first see the question. The question is express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. So what you need to do is you need to convert this 5 centimeter in meter and then again 5 centimeter in kilometer. So दो आंसर मिलेगा आपको. फर्स्ट यू विल कन्वर्ट दिस सेंटीमीटर टू मीटर एंड देन यू विल कन्वर्ट दिस सेंटीमीटर टू किलोमीटर. Now first of all, how to convert? So many students, they have confusion in conversion of units, how to convert centimeter to meter. You should know that 1 centimeter equal to how much meter, 1 kilometer equal to how much centimeter. So this relation between the units is very important and you need to be very careful when you do conversion of units. So there is one easy method I'll show you. First of all, you can write the sequence. First we will write kilo. First I am writing K. K means kilo. Then I am writing H, hecto. And then I am writing DA. DA means deca. So K means kilo, H means hecto and DA means deca. So kilo, hecto, deca, then unit. U means unit and then D means deci, then centi and then milli. So this you need to remember, this sequence you need to remember: kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. So if this sequence you know, you can convert any unit, whether it is meter, kilometer, hectoliter, decaliter, gram, whatever unit you can convert. So unit means here liter, meter, gram, whatever units are there, that we will use. And this D means deci, and C, this C means centi, and this M means milli. So this you know now. Okay, so kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. First what you will do, you will write this sequence: K, H, D, A, then U, D, C, M. This you need to write. Now in this, whenever you are converting from suppose if it is kilogram, you are converting to kilogram to decigram, means you are moving right side. So whenever we move right side, we multiply. That you need to remember, that whenever we move right side, we multiply. If you are converting from centimeter, something is given in centimeter and you are converting to decameter, means you are moving from centimeter to decameter. So you are moving from back to front. So in that case, you will do divide. So this you need to remember. If you are moving from this side to that side, then you will multiply. So this you need to remember. Or if you are starting from this side, you are starting from this side and you are coming to this side, so then you need to divide. And from here if you are moving, then you need to multiply. So these things you need to remember. Now let us see how to do. So first one, our question is 5 centimeter. Now this 5 centimeter, first we will convert into meter. Okay, first we will convert into meter. So first of all, it is centimeter, right? Centimeter. So you need to find out that where is centi. I have written centi. I told you this is our centimeter. Meter is our unit. Meter is our unit. So here you write M, or if you don't write, then also it's okay. This is for understanding. So this is our centimeter. So from centimeter we will start and we will convert to meter. So meter, where meter will come? Meter will come in unit. So from where we are starting? We are starting from centimeter. So means we are starting from this side, back side. From here we are starting. So whenever you start from this side, you will do divide. You will do divide. And if you start from here, you will do multiply. So coming back to the question, 5 centimeter to meter. Now we are going from centimeter to meter. So we will start from centimeter. Centimeter is here. So now we are starting from here, centimeter to meter. Meter means it will come in unit U. So here I have written meter. So from centimeter to meter, how many times I am jumping? You need to count the jumps. So one jump and second jump. So from centimeter to meter, 2 times jump. One jump and second jump. One time jump means divide by 10, second time jump means again divide by 10. So 10 into 10 means 100. Or you can remember like this also, 1 and 2. 2 jump means 20. So you will divide this by 100. This way also you can remember, you are jumping 2 times, 2 jumps are there. So you need to take 2 zeros, means you will divide this by 100. Why divide? Because we are moving from back to front. So this you need to remember. So 5 centimeter you want to convert to meter. So it will be 5 upon 100. We will do 5 upon 100. We will divide it by 100. Why we are dividing by 100? Because centimeter to meter. So 1 and 2. 2 jump. So 20 means 100. So we have to divide by 100. Now 5 upon 100, you will write it in decimal point. So 2 zeros are there. So point I will put after 2 digit. So first digit is already given to us 5. Second digit is not there. You can take 0. And then you can put point. So it will be 0.05 meter. So we have converted. So now our answer, this answer is in meter. So 5 centimeter is equal to 0.05 meter. You can write it 5 centimeter equal to 0.05 meter. So centimeter to meter is done. Now next is centimeter to kilometer. Now we will convert centimeter to kilometer. So we will find out that 5 centimeter is equal to how much kilometer. Now we want answer in kilometer. So again we will start from centimeter. So where is our centimeter? Again centimeter is here. Okay. So from centimeter now we have to come till kilometer. So where is kilo? See here I have written kilo. So you need to remember this sequence: kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. This is easy. You can remember it. Kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. This way you can remember. Now 5 centimeter. So we will start from here, centimeter, and we want answer in kilometer, right? So we need to jump till kilo. So kilo is written here, K. So start jumping. So how much you will get? See, 1 jump, second jump, third, fourth and fifth. So here is our kilo. So we have jumped till here. So how many times we have shifted, that you need to count. So this is our first jump, second, third, fourth and fifth jump. On fifth jump we are reaching at kilo. So 5 zeros. How much zero we will keep? 5 zeros. So now this will be 5 upon 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0 and 1. So you will divide this 5 centimeter, you will divide by 1 lakh. So now you need to put point, convert this to decimal part. So it will be, point will be after 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digit. After 5 digit you will keep point. But only one digit is given, 5. So other digits we will take 0. So how many digit we want, and then after that digit we will keep point. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 digit we will keep point, decimal point. So this is our 1 digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit and fifth digit. 5 digits over. Now we will keep decimal point, and here also you can keep point. So 0.00005 kilometer. This is our answer. 0.00005 kilometer. So we have converted centimeter to kilometer. This way you can convert any unit. So if you are moving from back side, you need to divide. If you are moving from this side, agar kilometer se centimeter hota, so we will multiply. So we will multiply. So you need to multiply. So this you need to remember. This sequence you need to remember. Now second one we will see. Second one is express 35 millimeter. Now it is millimeter. So milli, where is milli, that you need to see. See, kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. So this last one. So you need to convert from millimeter to centimeter. Then next one you need to convert from again millimeter to meter. First you will convert millimeter to centimeter, then millimeter to meter, and then same question you will convert from millimeter to kilometer. So again, if you wish, you can write this sequence again, or you can do in that only. So again let us write the sequence. So the sequence is kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. This is our sequence. Now first one is 35 millimeter. First is 35 millimeter. Now this answer we want in centimeter. So millimeter se centimeter. Okay, so find out where is millimeter. So kilo, hecto, deca, unit, deci, centi, milli. So this M is for milli, not for meter. Meter will come in unit. Okay, so we will start from here, millimeter. We will start from here, that is millimeter, and we will have to jump till centimeter. So in one jump only we are reaching centimeter. See, this is our centimeter. So how many times we need to shift? Only one time. So 10 means we will divide this by 10. So it will be 35, and only one time we have shifted. So 10 means 10. So you will divide 35 by 10. So now keep decimal point. So it will be 3.5, and where we are shifting to centimeter. So centimeter. So 35 millimeter is equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Sorry, centimeter. Okay, so it is centimeter. 3.5 centimeter. Now next is again 35 millimeter to meter. We need to convert to meter. So next time we have to start from millimeter and we have to stop at meter. So meter will come in unit. Okay, so how many times we are jumping now? 1, 2 and 3. 3 times we are jumping. We are jumping 3 times. So you need to divide by 1000. So again for millimeter to meter, for this second part, what we will do? So 35 millimeter we want to convert to meter. So how many times we are shifting from millimeter to meter? Meter किस में आएगा? Unit में. So 1, 2 and 3 times we are jumping. So we have to divide this by 1000. So it will be 35, 3 times shifting. So 30 and 1. So we will put decimal point after 3 digit. So this 5 is our 1 digit. 3 is our second digit, and third digit will be 0. So it will be 0.035. So 0.035 meter. This is our answer of second one. Now we will convert 35 millimeter to kilometer. So 35 millimeter is equal to how much? Kilometer. So now we will convert from millimeter to kilometer. So again this is our millimeter, and where is our kilometer? Here. This is our kilo. So kilometer. So we have to jump till here. So how many times we have to shift? So that we need to check out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 times we have to shift to reach here at kilo. So we need to divide this 35, and how much zero we will take? We will take 6 zeros. So I hope it is clear to all. 6 zeros we need to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1. So we will divide with this. So now we can write this fraction part into decimal part. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit, we will keep point in this. So our first digit is given to us 5. Second digit is given to us 3. Other digits are not there, so we will take 0. So first digit, second digit, third digit, fourth digit, fifth digit and sixth digit. So after sixth digit we will keep point, and here again you can take 0. So our answer is 0.000035 kilometer. So this is our answer. So right here 0.000035 kilometer. So I hope you understood how to convert centimeter to meter, or centimeter to kilometer, or millimeter to centimeter, meter or kilometer. So if you remember this sequence, you can do any conversion.